Now here I describe the Java sample code part 1. Actually this is the applet, Java applet code. We initially import Java libraries. You can see the java.applet file, java.text, awt, event, and util, and IO, and .NET file. Public class WebCrawler extends applet implementation action listener. Here we define public static final strings, search assigned to search string, stop assigned to stop string, and here's the search limit we restricted to 50, and using the final command in child process it does not allow to change the value. We define the panel in here and a list, again a label, the URLs to be searched, vector to search, thus again the thread, search thread, thus some text field and choices. Now you can see we initialize these functions, public void init. In the first we set up the main UI panel. The panel main equal to new panel. The new panel is the border layout. The x condition, the x parameter is 5 and y parameter is also the 5. Finally you can see the panel entry.set layout is enabled as given like this. Now here you can see the applet coding. Move on to the next page. Panel type we initialized. You can see the choice type, add item. We add item, the text /html. We added several items. Finally you can see we added the main panel. Move on to the next page. List of result URLs. The panel list buttons is initialized a new panel. Here we describe some the applet's main functions. The bottom of the lecture slide it said the panel list button dot add. The two parameters are passed. First is a string parameter north and then the panel list. We initialize the control buttons in here. A few control buttons. You can see the panel list button is also added with two parameters, the string parameter south and the panel buttons. Now finally we just repaint and again initialize search data structures. We define some vectors to this applet. Move on to the next slide. We have some functions. URL connection dot set default allow user interaction. The parameter we pass false. Here the public void start and stop. In a stop function there is a if condition. The search thread is not equal to null. The set status stopping, and we assign the search thread to null. Again there is another function, the public void destroy. And again another function, boolean function, robot save. We will pass the URL. In beginning, the URL dot get host is assigned to str host string variable. We are using the try and catch function. We are handling this part. There's a string str commands. Again we are using try catch conditions. In input stream URL robot stream, we have passed the URL robot.open stream function. There's the array, byte array. We pass new byte thousands as parameter. There is a while loop. The number read is not equal to -1. There's the if condition. Thread dot current thread is not equal to search thread. Then it break the statement. Otherwise, this number read is assigned as URL robot stream dot read b. There is a if condition again. The number read is not equal to -1. The string new commands. The variable is assigned as new strings. There is 3 parameters passed. Again the st commands are increased as by new commands. URL robot stream dot close. We close that stream robot stream. We are handling the catch is IO exceptions. Assume that this is a robot.text refers to us and search for disallow commands. There is a strul string variable. We assign URL.get file to it. We initialize the index as 0. There is again a while conditions. And this part is not equal to -1. Then again the index is increment by disallow.length. There is again if condition. This not allowed, this not equal to st.has more tokens. It break the condition. Otherwise string str bad path, that variable is assigned to st next token. If the URL starts with disallowed patch, it is not safe. So if we use the if condition, str URL index of, we pass the str bad path. If it is equal to 0, it returns false value.